packaging. It comes in the BeautyForever box. They sent me some wig caps as well as the headbands. Oh wow, they sent me like they sent me a lot of headbands. They sent me like 6 headbands. So yeah, this is the wig, and it is a 24-inch wig. Yes, it is a 24-inch. So I'm excited to like get into that. And this is a curly one. This is what it looks like. So straight out of packaging, guys, the headband wig comes with a stretchy like band material around it. So you'll use this to like secure the wig, and at the back it has a Velcro kind of paste thingy that you use to adjust the wig to your head size, and it has combs the inside at the back, and it has combs at the top. Yeah, it has a set of combs at the top. So combs here, as well as the Velcro. This Velcro, I hope I'm saying the right thing, as well as the strap that you'll use to adjust it to your head. And guys, for these headband wigs, you can like leave some of your hair out, like some of your edges, or if you don't want to leave your edges out, you can always like bring the wig cap all the way to the front.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.